Nobody's talking about how faceless channels are making up to $15,000 a month without a single second on camera. And you might be thinking, oh, these people have social media skills and editing skills and copyright skills, and I can't possibly do that. No, that's not the case. And in this video, I'm gonna prove step by step how you guys can create faceless videos, post them, monetize them, and earn from $3,000 to $15,000 every single month. You need to pay attention now because this is the exact guide of how to do this correctly in 2025. Now, this might be the reason why 99% of YouTube faceless channels actually fail. And believe me when I tell you, most people get it wrong. Because most people will just choose a niche simply on, oh, I'm passionate about this subject without really thinking it through. But you really have to focus here because there are 3 specific reasons why you should pick this niche. So step 1 is choose something people are desperately searching for. You need a topic that people actually want to watch, like personal finance or AIs, or motivational videos. These are things that people are always searching for new information or new videos about. Look at the videos that have millions and millions of views on them. That's your golden signal. Now, step 2 is the game changer because you want to make sure you pick a niche that's actually monetizable. You want to ask yourself, can I actually promote a product in this space? Will people actually click a link to buy this kind of stuff? Or is it just one of those niches that you can't sell anything and you have to solely depend on ad revenue, which, by the way, isn't a really smart thing because most channels actually make money when they depend on affiliate marketing rather than depend on the ad revenue from YouTube and TikTok. You also want to ask yourself a couple of questions like, what is the RPM of this actual channel? Now, while most channels do make a huge chunk of money from affiliate marketing, that doesn't mean we ignore the ad revenue side. No. RPM is essentially what YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views. Now, if you want to know what's working and combines these 2 things, focus on these couple of niches. Now, 1, you have AI tools. Any video about AI has an incredibly high RPM. You can monetize it through affiliate links of the AI itself. Like, you don't have to just focus on products in this case. No, you can actually pick an AI tool and be an affiliate partner for said AI tool. And if you're working on multiple AI tools, that means the possibilities here for making money are endless. Number 2 are Zen stories, especially motivational stories, because these are the type of stories that all the gym bros that I know, including myself, listen to while working out. And number 3 would be daily finance tips. And the reason we're focusing on daily finance tips is because it has an insanely high RPM. It's possibly the highest RPM in YouTube right now. I did mention a number of niches in this video. You don't have to choose those exactly, but you do have to choose one, and you do have to choose one more correctly. If you want to know the RPM, just ask ChatGPT. Make sure these 3 reasons align and you are set. Now, step 2 is coming up with the idea and creating scripts for them. But for more seasoned creators, we know this secret sauce. Instead of trying to create a script from scratch, what we're gonna do is go search the top 5 channels in your niche, take their top 6 videos, and create a script from them. Now, let's be perfectly honest. I'm not telling you to go steal the script. I'm telling you to more or less take the hook and take the structure, because they've already proved that this hook and this structure are working all. So yes, technically we're copying the first 3 seconds, but at this point, everybody does. There are tons of videos where you'll find somebody reacting to a stitch in the first 3 seconds using somebody else's hook. Again, you're not going to copy the hook image. You're just going to copy the verbal hook, or if they're using a certain style, you're going to copy that style. Now, for the rest of the script, you're going to copy the structure, how they set the tone, how they talk about every single detail. Again, you're not copying the words. If you copy the words, you're not going to get any views. But when you copy the structure, you learn, oh, this structure is working if it gets a lot of views on your own videos, and you can just replicate that structure over and over. And most of the big successful faceless YouTube channels already do this. So how do you take the 5 top videos in every single niche? Well, you go to the channel, you click on the video tab, and then you go unclick on the popular sub tab underneath it. And you'll have the top videos they've ever produced. Now, little hint, or more like a piece of advice, don't pick videos that are more than a year old. If it's more than a year old, most likely the topic is already irrelevant. Honestly, I go as far as say, don't pick anything that's more than 6 months old. We're in an age where essentially every single month, the trending topics are literally changing. If you want to make sure that a topic is still trending, you can go to Google Trends and check that out. Once you do all of this, you'll have 6 videos from 5 channels, exactly 30 pieces of content for your first month. And at this point, these videos are guaranteed to perform. And by the way, this is step 3. Now comes the magic part. This is where everything becomes so much easier. We're going to use a tool called Zebracat. This tool lets you turn your scripts into videos automatically. You don't need to edit, you don't need to record, you don't need to do anything whatsoever. The AI takes care of everything from B-roll AI images to transitions to background music to creating a voice for everything that you want. So the first thing you're going to do is click create video and then paste the script into the platform. Then you choose a voice from their built-in library. And here is the best part of Zebracat. They have so many voices to choose from that if you chose 30 different voices for each 30 different videos, you wouldn't repeat the same voice twice. But here's where it gets really cool. To drop in your own stock footage, image, or even branding plan, everything here is customizable. You want to add your own background music for a better emotion, do that. And within a couple of minutes, you have a complete video that you can post on your socials automatically. Now, I want you to closely think about this. This is a video that would have taken a production team in order to film, script, and edit about 4 to 5 hours. And you did it in about 5 to 10 minutes. This is literally the power of AI and the power of a lot of faceless YouTube channels. Now, if there's something that you want to change in the video itself, you don't have to worry because they allow you to edit every single part of the video at the end. And the best part is, again, you can edit it with a single prompt. You don't have to know exactly how to edit and style and stuff like that. You have different caption styles. You can edit the images and the B-roll inside with different prompts. If you don't like a part, you can just select it and delete it. Everything is customizable. The AI does the heavy lifting, but you can choose everything you want. Is why Zebracat is ridiculously easy when it comes to creating content. Now, step 4 is posting on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Let's be perfectly honest, in 2025, you can't just be sticking to one single platform and hoping for the best. This is where the smart creators just separate themselves from the rest. They do this thing called omnipresence posting, and this is on posting on multiple platforms. If you have the time, I'd recommend posting on every platform. If you don't, I recommend posting on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And the reason I'm recommending these 3, YouTube and TikTok both have creator programs, and Instagram allows you to automate almost everything with AI. So once your video is complete, what you're going to do is go to YouTube and start posting your videos. You're going to post them as shorts. If it's long form, you're going to need to create a thumbnail. And believe me, when it comes to YouTube, packaging is everything. You need to make sure that you're packaging the long form videos correctly with a catchy title and a really scroll-stopping thumbnail. And this is like more of a pro tip. If you're stuck on the title, ask ChatGPT and go from there. Don't just copy and paste, but it's still like you have a start. It helps with the creativity part. Like if you're stuck on something, at the very least, you know where to start. Now, if your long form does really well and you want to give it an extra for both your long form and your channel, you can take the long form and split it into multiple short form content and post that. And this is honestly a lot of successful creators do. They'll take their best performing long form videos, take the best moments of them, and clip them into short form content and just keep posting and producing content that people want to go out. And if you think that volume would be a problem, think about it like this. If you saw a movie that you'd like say people who, like me, for example, you'll want to watch the sequel. You'll be dying for it. And it's the same with content. If you watch one video that you like and you like the creator and you like the vibes that the creator is giving, you want to watch the next video. Now, step 5, and this is the step that all of you are probably waiting for, is monetizing through ad revenue. Now for YouTube, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4K hours of watch time, you automatically get monetized and added to the YouTube partner program. Now say you have a high RPM, like for channels for AI and finance, and you're making $10 per 1,000 views. If your video hits 1 million views, then you just made $1,000. Now, another amazing opportunity that a lot of people are sleeping on, especially in the US, is the TikTok creator program. Now, this is not available in every country. It's available in the big ones like the US, like France, like the UK, and Germany. But essentially, if you're older than 18 and you have 10,000 followers and over 100K views in the last 30 days, you can join the TikTok creator program. And this is essentially TikTok's response to YouTube's creator program. Now, the best part about ad revenue is that it's passive income that compounds over time. Your videos will always get more views. No video goes dead completely because even if one trend dies down, there's still some noise in the background and it might happen in a couple of years again. So people go back to it or people are feeling nostalgic. So you're always compounding passive income as your library grows. And here's where most people flop. Don't realize that AdSense is just the beginning. The next step we're going to be talking about is step 6, monetizing through affiliate marketing and affiliate program. This here is the real moneymaker. Because whatever you're making on AdSense, you can 10x with affiliate marketing. Here's the beautiful simplicity. You can promote a product or an AI of somebody else's and earn a commission when somebody buys it. In most cases of AIs, you can go and join their affiliate program, and if somebody buys a monthly subscription, every single month you're paid for said monthly subscription. It's the same for Skool as well. If somebody joins through your affiliate link, every month they're on Skool and paying for Skool, it compounds as well. Do you know who else does that? We do at Zebracat. That essentially allows you to earn when a member subscribes to the AI. Now, it's not just AIs. You can do this for products as well. There are sites like ClickBank and Gumroad that allow you to essentially advertise somebody else's product. And every time somebody buys said product, you earn a commission. Now, you could choose a small popular product, or you could go for the big high-ticket items where you get a giant commission every time somebody buys said item. Now, if you're wondering how you can do this in videos, this is where Instagram technically shines. You combine Instagram with a DM automation tool like ManyChats, and you put a link to the product in ManyChats. A good example for that is the top 3 AI tools. Now, let's say you made a couple of videos. Some of their titles might be top 3 AI tools for content creators, or how I make videos only using the AI, or the best tools for video automation. And these work really well because once somebody clicks on the video, they like the video, they comment, say a certain thing, they get sent a DM from ManyChats automatically. By the way, you're doing nothing. This is all AI. This is the beauty of the AI gold rush that we're in right now. Anybody can make money, and it's stupid easy. Once they click, you convert your viewers to buyers, and you start earning the big bucks. And here's the thing, sky's the limit here. As many videos as you can make and as many views as you can get is how much you'll actually make in money. Let's go over this one more time and let's really lock this in. You picked your niche, you made sure that it was profitable, you made sure a lot of people wanted to actually see this stuff, you made sure that you are super passionate about it. You created 30 videos from the top 6 channels in your niche by taking the best 5 videos that got them millions and millions of views, guaranteeing yourself at the very least hundreds of thousands of views. You made sure you're in the creator programs, you made sure you are doing affiliate marketing, whether that's through AI affiliate links or through AI products. And by the way, you can do both because this is essentially a faceless video using AI, and you set up multiple income streams for yourself. That's it. This is the blueprint that if you follow, you will be like the giant faceless creators who earn tens of thousands of dollars every single month and almost on autopilot. You don't need a studio. You don't need a team. You don't need any experience whatsoever. You have everything you need right here, right now, all in one go, all in one place. You can rewatch this video. If you want, we have a free Skool community with over 2,000 members and growing where we talk about how to do this as well as a free course in it. I'll leave a link in the description below as well as a link to Zebracat. So at this point, if you're not making money, it's kind of your fault. I'm just saying. And one last thing, guys, if this video really helped you, save it for later so you can go and rewatch it, as well as hit that subscribe button so you guys can stay updated on everything AI.